Neno Evangelism founder Pastor James Ng'ang'a wants Pastor Ezekiel to send him 2 million Kenyan shillings for bailing out Benny Hinn's crusade. According to Ng'ang'a, Ezekiel should send him 2 million shillings to offset the 14.6 million bill that crusade organizers had accrued. Ng'ang'a said since Ezekiel had Kenya shillings 14.6 million to support Hinn's ministry, he should extend the gesture to him, considering local people were directed to donate Kenya shillings 1.5 million towards the event. He, Benny Hinn, did not know what the value of $10,000 is in Kenya. Those who went there thought it was a hustler's Kenya shillings 10,000. When it was clarified, the pastors went back. It's not like Benny Hinn has no money. Ng'ang'a dissatisfaction with the Canadian televangelist crusade played out openly during the highly publicized event attended by President Ruto. A day after the crusade, Ng'ang'a told congregants at his church that he was dismally recognized during the mega crusade held at Nyayo Stadium. I went to the meeting. I just went to see how God uses him. I will not speak now, but something is wrong. That man struggled. He struggled. He's a singer and he sang in my presence, but he struggled. I am a man of tactics. I was put to sit somewhere at a table that was not so close. I was only recognized once, said Ng'ang'a. This comes after Pastor Ezekiel offered to help offset the pending bills during the final day of the crusade, after it emerged that the organizers were unable to pay. A concerned HINN momentarily tried to raise the funds but was stopped by a pastor who disclosed to the televangelist that Ezekiel would pay it all. In a viral clip, the pastor said that he had directed that HINN should continue with his ministry since he would pay the bills. Benny Hinn was in Kenya courtesy of an invitation by First Lady Mama Rachel Ruto.